to turn off vibration on Brawl Star. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to turn off vibration in your Brawl Star account. So first of all, just open your Brawl Star mobile game, and after that just simply log into your account using your Supercell ID. And as soon as you log into your account, in order to turn off the vibration, you just have to click on the three dot menu icon from the top right hand side corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. And after that, just go to the settings from the top, and over here you will be able to see a bunch of different options in the settings. So in order to turn off vibration, you need to turn off the haptic feedback. You can see the toggle bar in the third option which says haptic feedback. You just have to turn off this particular feedback right here. Just simply toggle the bar, and as soon as you turn off the haptic feedback, your Brawl Star vibration will be turned off. So this is how simple it is to turn off vibration in your Brawl Star account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.